Hello guys, I wanted to do an unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 5 in black. As you can see, there I have the 44mm space gray, and let's open it up. Oops, okay. As you can see here, we have the screen. And then we have the band. And then over here shows the pictures of all the watches. So let's open this up. We have the 5-watt plug, the magnet charger for the watch, and these are all the instructions on how to set up your Apple Watch. That's dusty. I don't know why. Oh, never mind. It just looked that dusty because of this cover. So yeah, this is the unboxing of the Apple Watch and how it looks inside.